Assalamu alaikum, hello, and welcome to Ashiana Cooking. Before I start, if you have not already subscribed then make sure you do. Also, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, back to the video. In today's recipe I will be sharing how to make barbecue lamb chops. You should definitely try them and let me know how it turned out in the comments section. So, for this you will need half kg lamb chops. To make the marinade you will need 1 teaspoon meat tenderizer, 1 to 2 pinch of red food coloring, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix them all together and apply on the lamb chops. Look at the beautiful color. Let this rest for half an hour. For the marinade spices you will need 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon BBQ masala, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Chaat Masalah, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well, then apply to the meat. The spices should give the lamb chops amazing flavor. The beautiful color is making my mouth water. This recipe is perfect for occasions such as Eid al-Adha, and yes, Eid Mubarak, to all my Muslim viewers. The last step is to barbecue grill the lamb chops, so carefully heat your barbecue grill and prepare yourself to cook this. Keep some oil, also a pastry brush. If you don't have that then you can use a spoon to apply the oil. I wish you could hear the beautiful sizzling noise. Obviously, turn them over, so the other side can be cooked. Then, apply the oil, cover, and let them cook for a few minutes on both sides. Then apply the oil on the other side. Whilst halfway cooking, add lemon juice. This will add additional flavor and tartness to the lamb chops. Now enjoy watching them as they barbecue. Unfortunately you cannot taste them or even try them unless you make them yourself. Your hard work will pay off. Do not procrastinate. This is a dish that you do not want to miss out on. Trust me, it is worth making, and especially for Eid. By the way, watch this video till the end as the pictures of the final product are displayed. Yes, I took my time, and also, I made a salad to go along with it, in this beautiful leaf dish. Look at the beautiful grilled lines. Also, when I tasted it, it was the best thing in the world, and like I said before, you cannot taste it. However, it is my job to tell you, and the taste was amazing. Like the flavor was perfect. For me, the spice was on point. The color as you can see turned out beautiful. It was well cooked and yes, I loved it. And as always it wasn't enough. If you want to make this healthier, you can use the salad as an excuse to balance out your diet. These lamb chops are best eaten by themselves of course, or in a meal with naan bread or chapati or roti. I am currently working on editing these videos so they should be uploaded soon, inshallah. Also, let me know in the comments if you prefer this sound audio and if it's helpful or not. This is because this delays the upload as it's additional work. So like I was saying, those videos will also be of lamb chops, 2 more different ways of making them. So stay tuned and make sure you watch them till the end. This way you can decide which recipe you want to make or you can try all of them. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the recipe and that you try it out. Don't forget to subscribe.